Happy vlog day. It's your girl, Miss Tamika. I'm to do a day in the life. So today, of course, I am on my way to work, hence the shirt. I was off for 2 days. So today is Friday. The beginning of the vlog, it was just some B-roll of me getting ready for work, doing my makeup, my hair, and packing my lunch. I'll bring y'all along with me today. So how's y'all day been, week going? You know, hope all is well. It'll be nice today, y'all. I've been loving these 2-ingredient bagels, y'all. When I tell you I have been making these non-stop, doing lately is adding cheese. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, best thing ever. Protein bagels, which means it'll keep me full all day, because when I work a 10 to 7, I like to make sure I'm not hungry right away, because I like a late lunch, you know. If you know, you know. Lunch, so when I come back, I only have like 3 hours left. My way to work. I didn't even put the mic on, y'all. I couldn't do everything. The next time you see me is when I'm on my lunch break. So I'm gonna let y'all charge in the car. And I will talk to y'all later. So hey y'all. I told you next time I see you would be on my lunch break. Do a what's in my bag video once I'm finished eating. So I have my little lunch box. I usually get these from what is it called? Chick-fil-A. I put my food on, some water, and lunch. I got some grapes. Did I put a fork in here? Yeah, I put a fork in here. So I'm going to bless my food. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus, please. My lasagna. This is not homemade, y'all. I get this from Aldi. So this is what I'm about to eat. So after I'm done eating, y'all, I'm gonna do a what's in my bag video, because I'm carrying, like I showed you, that my Louis Vuitton over here. Probably didn't think this through, so I wanted to sit over here by myself. Pretty fast. I have 3 hours left, because they know I like a late lunch. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat my food, and I'll turn the camera back on when I can do a what's in my bag video. Alright y'all, I am done eating, so I had to set up so I could do a what's in my bag. So right now I am currently carrying this here. So right now I am currently carrying this Louis Vuitton. I think this is the Odeon PM. This do come with the longer strap, but I converted it over with my Amazon strap because I like to carry it as a shoulder bag. In the front pocket, I have a Louis Vuitton perfume sample, my AirPod. Let me go put that where it belongs, y'all. I have my iPhone. I currently have the 16 Plus pill holder. I need to get another one, because this one is it just fell apart. This, I may purchase the newer version, but if not, I may just use what I have. It's just that I cut my anxiety pills in half, because I told you I don't take a full pill. So on one side I keep these, y'all. Let me tell you something. These here I found at Dollar Tree. They are the ginger chews. Y'all, when I tell you, when I feel like nauseous, upset, or weird, I'll eat one of these, and y'all, it takes it right away. Because they say ginger is good for like your stomach. I highly recommend it. I got it from Dollar Tree. Oh, and then I did get a Whole Foods gift card because my name was picked, because I had got a lot of BI signups. So if your name was picked, you was able to draw a little ticket, and that particular ticket had a gift card for Whole Foods for $10. So I'll probably use that another day. Y'all, I have my newest purchase, which is this Louis Vuitton pouch. I just have like a tampon. It's like an emergency kit, but I put everything in here. I have the nail polish. I have some breath mint. Yeah, I have breath drops. What else I have in here? Double-sided tape. Oh, I didn't know I had that. I have a stain remover, deodorant. Okay, this is cute. And then I don't know if you know, but this here particular wallet does have like a pocket in the back, so I just have like my extra cards. And what else I have in here? And this is, oh, that is so cute. I have a hairspray. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, this is so cute. I forgot where I got it from. It came in like its own pouch, so I just put everything in here just to have a place, just to have something to put in here. I have my car keys and my rewards and stuff from Trader Joe's. I went to Trader Joe's the other day. I have my newest purchase, which is my Chanel card case, y'all. I am loving my Chanel card case, y'all. Matter of fact, let me put this in here so I don't lose it. I'm gonna put this in here so I won't lose it. So remember, I put this in here, y'all. I have that in there. Oh, it's a little tight. Well, let me take that out because that's a little tight. I have my gum. I have my Dior lotion. I have my AirPods. Let me put this back in the case. I have my hand sanitizer y'all got from Target. This was $8.99. I don't know y'all, but I have a thing for hand sanitizer, y'all. It's so crazy. When I go home tonight, I'll probably show you my collection, y'all. It's really bad. Like, really bad. And this here, it's supposed to go on the bottom of my cell phone, but I have to attach it. So it's like this here. Then it has this. One of my Sephora friends got me this for my birthday from Dollar Tree. They are soap sheets. So you just take one of these little sheets and you rinse it under. You put it under water and it turns into hand soap. I have a scrunchie for my hair, another ginger. I have a Charlotte Tilbury hair clip, a Bath and Body Works coupons, a gift card, and then, you know, I always keep my purse information in my bags. So that was everything that I have in my bag. So now what I'm about to do is head on over back to my job and sit outside. I probably won't film me walking over there because I mean it looks the same. Plus I got a lot of stuff with me, y'all, so I don't really feel like doing all that because I got my lunch bag, I got my purse. I did all this so I could film it what's in my bag for y'all. Oh, and then y'all, I have my little cute Hello Kitty. I got this from TJ Maxx. So yeah, and then I have my water. So I have 20 minutes left. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this here video. I probably will pick up the camera, probably pick up this vlogging camera once I get home just to close it out. Loving this hair, y'all. I'm gonna have to link it down below, y'all. It's from Amazon. You hear me? Let me tell you something. If I can lay down a wig, anybody can do it. Like, anybody. I watched a few videos and I got the lay in this here wig. Now I will say I did kind of like over bleach the knots, but like I said, I'm not a professional, but I'm sure I could fix it. But guess what? I'm just wearing it. This is my wig for work, because with this wig I don't have to curl my hair. I don't have to do nothing but spray water, and that's it. So for me, that's a lot easier for me to get ready in the morning. Put some mousse in it sometimes too. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up having to buy, because I need some mousse to keep it, you know, together. So I'm just sitting out here by myself, and like I said, I'm about to head on back to work. So like I said, I will see you once oh look, real quick, here's my new nails. I got my nails done. So I feel like this is my shape. I'm liking this hair shape. So yeah, y'all, I will see y'all when I get off. Okay, y'all, I made it home. So I just wanted to share really quick what I got in the mail. So I told y'all I have been on this whole hand sanitizer thing, y'all. Like, I just love my hand sanitizer. So I bought 2 of each. I bought these here, sandalwood waves. What's this? Sandalwood. I got 2 berry. Yo, it's bad. And I got a drawer over there full of sanitizers. And then I got the Lush Aloe. Yo, when I tell you I am in love with hand sanitizers. Today, we had Laneige come in today. And so when they came in, if you bought any lip products, you got charms put on your lip glosses. So of course I had to support, and I got these. I got this here donut and Hello Kitty, because if you don't know, this here is part of the Laneige donut glaze, and this one just came out, you all. This here is the strawberry sprinkles Eddie phase. So this here is strawberry sprinkles, y'all, and that's what I'm wearing on my lip. This would be like a good lip topper too. Your lips so glossy, y'all. When I tell you I love these here lips by Laneige, like they did their thing with these here glosses. Can attach to my key ring. And then she also gifted me a goodie bag. So what did I get? I got low makeup serum. It hydrating, long-lasting makeup wear. So this is a like a primer, edge water bank, sleeping mask, eye mask, another sleeping mask. Want to, but if not, oh, I don't know, y'all. I might not give it to my daughter. Cause look, I think in here, like, look at this. I think that's what this is for. Yup. No, I'm keeping this. Sure, cards or whatever in here. So yeah, this is cute. The Laneige right here. So yeah, that's what I got from the brand rep today. She was really nice. That was her first time at our particular location. Last but not least, you all, if you've been following me on Instagram, you probably already saw this particular bag. But y'all, this here bag went viral on TikTok. And when I tell you, everybody, their mama, sister, brother, cousin, uncle wants this bag, and I'm so glad I purchased mine. So it just comes with some minis. So Charlotte Tilbury mini, good dry shampoo, some Myricks, Yummy Skin, the Bum Bum Cream. It's cute, y'all. The Salt and Stone little mini deodorant. It's a full size, I want to say. Yeah, the Milk is the only full size. So this here is a full size. Mascara, blush, recipe toner. Is the Anastasia brow gel. This cute little lip from Tatcha. No, from Tarte. We got this cute little lip from Tarte. Day Styling Cream. So yeah, I just thought this was so cute. You all, I bought the bag. I bought this for the bag, not the stuff in it, because I got mostly everything in this bag full size, but I had to get the bag, y'all. Like, this bag is so, so cute. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and share with you all what I got and a day in the life. So I hope y'all enjoyed this here vlog. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and it will be a next time, I will talk to you later.